Hello guys, welcome to the channel Codes Lab. So today we are going to tell you how to install VS Code in Mac OS. So it's simply basic. Go to the VS Code Visual Studio Code download and you will have the options for the Windows, Linux and the Mac OS. So there are various options. So basically today I'm going to download in the Mac OS, and Mac OS it says you can download for the Apple Silicon, Universal Download or Intel chips. So my Mac is ARM based, so just I am going to download the Silicon option, and here's the downloaded. So can it is a zip file and you have to extract by double clicking, and there would be a application file. So simply if you can run from here, as well as just you have to move this application into the application folder. And because of I have already installed, it says replace or keep both. So I just replaced it, and to install the latest version. Now you can go to the spotlight search and you can see the application is here. Otherwise you can search by name, its name, VS Code or Visual Studio Code. Application will be here, and just click on that. First time it says a warning and you have downloaded, just open it, and here's your Visual Studio Code. So in this first step, just we have downloaded VS Code for the programming purposes. It's in a very interesting tool, and it supports a very large number of the libraries, languages, frameworks. So in the later classes we will discuss about how to configure the environment for the different languages. So guys, don't forget to subscribe the channel